everyone. I am Krishnaveni. I am from 2nd MPC. I am studying TSWRDCW Kulcharam, Medak. I am selected the topic physics. First, in this session, we will all introduce physics. First, we talk about physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of properties of matter and energy. The subject of matter of physics includes mechanics, sound, heat, magnetism, electricity, and etc. In this beautiful world, in this beautiful planet that we call Earth, as a lot of interesting events thing, and we all our daily life and regularly. First, we can take sound. We all are know that sound is a sound we can hear but we cannot see. See someone example.
Start.
This is the sound of an example of sound uh, in a everyday life.
Start.
We can hear the sound. This is an example of sound. We all are know that the alarm sound, it is an important sound which it is tells about that we are wake up in the morning. The sound of the alarm, we can hear but we cannot see. Physics studies the origin to propagation properties of sound. This is an example of sound. And next we take heat. Heat is nothing but we all are know that to have a cup of coffee, we boil water after turning as the store. We know that taste of the water is not enough start boiling. When we steam, this is gradual rise in temperature causes to water bubble and later change to steam. It is called heat.
Start.
I can see one example of heat.
Start.
Mm, This is an example of rise in temperature causes to water bubble and later it changed to steam is called heat. It is of heat.
Okay, start.
And take next if friction. Friction is nothing but without friction we cannot walk and we cannot stand and we cannot do anything in the daily life. While we walking in the park on the tar road, we have a good grip without slipping. Be of a roughness resistance of our shoes in the surface of the resistance called as friction or traction. Without friction we cannot do anything work. And next we take gravity. Gravity is nothing but gravity is also called gravitation. In mechanism, the universal force of attraction or matter is called gravity. We have observed false apples in tree or balloons falling away in air. How to it is impossible. The apples falls down the earth and the balls float in the air. Nothing to say it is impossible. It is say to simple. In this earth, every objective surface it is called gravity or gravitational force. That's apples falls ground the earth. In the people around the earth, we under the side of the earth, not in the space. That is example of apples while falling down in the earth. Next take balls. So why did balls flow the air not in the around the earth? Again it is not a big deal. We know that the air is like, so imagine lighter than the air is like a hemoglobin filled into the balloon because it's a layer. It is lighter than the earth. It is called gravity or gravitational force. And next topic is magnetism. And we all are know the magnetics. This is the magnetics. We can see the magnetics. And which two opposite forces are attracted called magnetism. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. Those are attracted. It is called magnetism.
Start.
And our next topic is inertia. A body is not moving or rest. We all are unless an external force is applied that we call inertia. And the next topic is force. force is nothing but using in our daily life. First we talking about force. Speaking of tugs or pushes, suppose we close the door, we using force. When door is heavy, we are using more sting to move it. That simply means we are using more force. Force is using in daily activity. In day, toothbrush and brushing our teeth, button on cell phone, sneezing or coughing, etc., etc., etc. And next, electricity. Electricity, um, we all are know them. Electricity, uh, electricity is not, electricity is using in our daily life. Without electricity there is no life. So many gadgets and so many electricals we are using in our daily life. Some example, we take some cell phone, which we are charging the phone. About cell phones works using about the battery. In our daily life, electron mobiles are we are using in our daily life in routine. It is all are defined as physics, and physics comes from Greek word. Thank you for this given opportunity. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.